Here we go. So this is how to export content from your PowerSchool class and import it to your Schoology class. I'm going to start with PowerSchool, go to my class, click on Manage Class, and Import Export. Go over to the Export tab, click Export, and wait for the export to generate here. Shouldn't take too much longer. Once it's done, click Download and choose a convenient spot for your export. You can do desktop or downloads. I'll do desktop for this demonstration. Click Save. Then switch over to Schoology. In the top header here, click on Resources, then Personal. Click on the down arrow, then Import. You're going to choose to import from Common Cartridge file, import to New Collection, and give it a title, preferably the name of the course you're pulling that information from. In this case, I'll go with CSP. Next, attach file, then locate the file that you had exported and downloaded, and I saved it to my desktop. Select the file, then open. Right now, Schoology is importing the content to your resources area. And from resources, we'll be able to add it to our class next. So wait for this to complete. Click Next. I want to import all of my content, so I'm going to select all. There might be some content you don't want to transfer over. You would uncheck those boxes. I'm going to keep them all here and convert. So right now they're being transferred to my resources area, and if you want to check the progress on that, you can go to the transfer history area, and you can see that this file here is pending. And while this one's pending, I'm going to go back and demonstrate using some content I imported earlier. So I'll go to the course that I want to add my content to. Click on Add Materials, Import from Resources. And this is the content that I added earlier. And I exported all of my content, but I also want to import it all. You might want to be careful at this point. When you add this content to your class, it will, by default, it will be published to your class. So if you have students in there that are able to access your class, they will have access to your content. And here I have a folder that I like to keep to myself. I'm going to uncheck that. What you can also do is choose to import it, and when it's done importing to your class, you can unpublish it. To unpublish it, click on the little settings button on the side next to the folder that you want to unpublish. Click on that, and there will be an option to unpublish all, and that is what we'll click on. So that's done loading, and down here is all the content that I just imported. This one here is published to my two sections. That includes, if there are any subfolders or sub-content, that'll include everything in that folder. So in this case, I'm going to click on the settings button and unpublish all. And we're done. We exported the content from PowerSchool, imported it to Schoology, and added the content to our class.